Hi, what's up, beautiful people? It's holiday time, and today we are going to be doing a Santa inspired makeup look. And as usual, we always start with skin prep. And for skin prep, I'm just going to apply the CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I love this for my skin because, well, hyaluronic acid is very good for moisturizing your skin and keeping the moisture in it. And then make sure you go in with a primer. And because I do have oily skin, I still use this primer. I love it so much. I still love it. I've repurchased it several times. This is the Maybelline Fit Me mattifying primer, and I'm just going to apply it especially in my T-zone, concentrating on my T-zone. And then guys, we've hit pan on this product, which is the Maybelline foundation powder, and I'm just going to use it as a powder just to dry the area where my eyebrows are going to go. Now, this Santa inspired makeup look was not solely my making. I might have used AI to generate this to give me ideas, not to generate the look, but to give me ideas. And it gave me, I just keyed in the words Santa inspired makeup on a dark skinned girl, and this is what it gave me. So guys, you can't blame me. AI is helping us, and I could not resist the urge. So I hope you're going to enjoy the look that it gave me. And also I made a few tweaks to it, but yes, let's just proceed with this makeup. I've done my eyebrows very simply, and I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel brow gel. I just used the black pencil to kind of fill in the areas that I don't have eyebrows, and then I'm just going to go in with this Rimmel. It's just the wonderful brow gel. It's a clear brow gel, and then I'm just going to tap in, you know, any excess of the concealer that I used in that area before color correcting my face. Now I'm color correcting my face using the LA Girl Pro Conceal color corrector, and this is their orange color corrector, which is very good for correcting dark areas on your face and especially dark spots on your face. And then for foundation, I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation because I want a really matte face. And if anyone has used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, they know very well that this is a really matte foundation, to the extent that sometimes it can get uncomfortable. So I decided, because I'm going to be using a lot of glitter on my face, I want a matte face. So, and then for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. That's the shade Honey. And then I'm also gonna go in with the Rimmel Kind and Free Concealer in the shade Tan. And then I'm just going to blend these concealers in using two tools. So the first tool I'm using is this flat brush because I want, like, for the flat brush, it really packs in the concealer such that the color is set. And then I will go in with a damp beauty blender just to remove and pick up the excess of the concealer so that you're left with a flawless base. So as you saw from the image, we are going to start off with red, because red is one of the most common colors during Christmas season, during holiday season. It's a really prominent color. So for red eyeshadow, and also Santa, you know, this is a Santa inspired makeup look, and Santa, his suit is red, so red it is. And then on top of that, I just applied like a burgundy shade, a brownish, a dark brown burgundy shade, and then I blended it in. And then I'm going to go back in with a lighter shade of red and just apply it above that. And then we're going to cut the crease for this makeup look. So for cutting the crease, I'm just going to use foundation because I don't want it to be a very stark difference between the eyeshadow that I'm applying on the cut crease and the actual eyeshadow that I applied. So I'm just going to apply that, and then on top of that foundation that I've cut the crease with, I'm going to apply a red eyeshadow again. another red eyeshadow. And then in the inner corner, blue is one of the colors that is very dominant in this season. However, we normally don't see it on a lot of makeup looks, and most of the time when people pair Christmas looks, they always pair blue with what is it called, with white or with black or with, you know, gray, like to create an icy cold look. So I was very happy when the AI actually generated for me the combination of red and blue, because I honestly would have never thought about it by myself. I normally see people just pair, when they're doing blue holiday or Christmas looks, they just pair it with plain white, or they pair it with shades of black, gray, to create this icy wonderland. But they never ever do blue and red, and I think it turned out beautiful. So I also put glitter, and those glitters I showed you guys, those glitters were like red mixed with silver in there, you know, just holiday glitter. And that's what I put on the cut crease area. And then in the inner corner is where I put the blue, just for a pop of color. As you saw from the image, that is exactly what I was given. So I'm just going to do the blue, and then afterwards I think I will also line my waterline with like a reddish shade, just to make sure that it's giving holiday, full-on holiday glam. I don't know if somebody can go anywhere with this look. I did eliminate the Santa, what is it called? There was a Santa face on my cheek in that image. I eliminated that, but the rest of it, I think I did pretty accurate to what I was given. So we're just going to do the eyeliner and also the mascara. So I did a little bit of a tiny winged liner just to make the whole cut crease thing look normal, and then I also put mascara there. It's time for the details on the rest of this Santa inspired makeup look, and I have just drawn a Christmas hat up above my eyebrows. I've just drawn it with a normal pencil. It's like an eyebrow, it's a really creamy eyebrow pencil. I love that pencil, it's so creamy, so that's why I used it for that. And then I also put on some lashes, of which I put a little bit of white on the lashes, that just to recreate like the snowy winter wonderland look, and that is why there is white on my eyelashes. And then let's just put on the rest of the details to this makeup look, and then I'll see you at the end of the video. Tell me in the comment section what you actually think, what you actually think about this Santa inspired makeup look that AI generated for me and that I tried or attempted to recreate. And would you recreate this makeup look? Would you go anywhere with it, or would you just maybe do it for fun? Let me know in the comment section, and have a very wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. If you've reached this point in the video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you're not yet subscribed, that is. Also, don't forget to like the video and to also share with your friends. Also, put your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. And if you're not a member of the channel, you can also join the channel so that you can get early access to my videos. Do a little bit of finishing touches to this makeup look. Don't forget to watch the rest of my Christmas inspired makeup looks. I think there are about 3 of them this time around. I did not do many, but make sure that you watch them. What do you think about this makeup look? And I'm gonna see you in the next video.